Hi everyone, welcome back sa aking channel na GTR Math Tutorial. So for today's video, we will discuss the part 2, number 11 to 20 of Civil Service Exam Reviewer for Numerical Ability. So ang 10 questions natin ay makikita nyo sa description. So try nyo po munang sagutan yung 10 items bago nyo panoodin yung aking solution. Okay, and then comment nyo po kung ilan ang naging score nyo out of 10. Okay, so let's start. Number 11, Simon arrived at work at 8:15 a.m. and left work at 10:30 p.m. If Simon gets paid by the hour at a rate of $10 and time and 1/2 for any hours work over 8 in a day, how much did Simon get paid? Okay, so magkano ang kinita ni Simon? Isa-isahin natin. So 8:15 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. nag-work si Simon. So ang sabi, $10 daw, $10 ang bayad sa kanya kapag 8 hours. Tapos, time and one half for any hours over 8. Okay, so bilangin muna natin kung gaano katagal yung hanggang 8 niya. So i-add lang natin 8:15. So from 8:15 a.m., 8:15 a.m. bilang tayo ng 8 hours dyan. So 8 plus 8. So we have 16, 15. Tapos yung 16, 24 hours yung 16. So 4:15. So hanggang 4:15 p.m. Ito yung 8 hours. Okay? So ang kinita niya from 8:15 hanggang 4:15 ay equal daw sa $10. So we have $10 i-multiply natin sa 8. Okay? So tapos bilangin natin kung ilang oras ang 4:15 p.m. hanggang 10:30 p.m. So hanggang 10:30 p.m. So magkano naman yung kinita niya dito? So ang sabi time and 1/2. Pwedeng yung oras i-multiply natin sa 1/2 or pwede naman yung rate na lang. Mas madali itong rate ang gagawin nating time and 1/2. Add lang tayo ng 1/2 sa 10. Ano ba ang 1/2 ng 10? Eh di 5. Tapos yung 5 idagdag natin sa 10. So ang rate niya dito ay $15. Tapos bilangin natin ilang oras pa from 4:15 hanggang 10:30. So subtract lang natin. So we have 10:30 minus 4:15. Okay, madaling i-subtract. Wala nang borrow yan. 30 minus 15, we have 15 minutes. 10 minus 4, so 6 hours, 15 minutes. So we have 6 point, i-convert natin sa decimal ang 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes, convert natin sa hour yan. So ano ba ang conversion ng minutes? So ang minutes ay nasa ilalim dapat yung minutes. So we have 60 minutes. Ayan, 1 hour sa numerator para makancel ang minutes and then 15 over 60, pwedeng ma-lowest term ang 15 over 60. So we have 15 over 60 hour, i-divide natin pareha sa 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1, 60 divided by 15 is 4. So tapos, madali nang i-convert ito, kailangan kabisado nyo na yan. 1 over 4 in decimal, that is equal to 0.25 hour. Or i-divide nyo lang 100 divided by 4, that is 25. May decimal, kaya 0.25 hour. So therefore, ito ay $15 times 6.25. So tapos, i-total na lang natin ito. So kunin natin yung total niyan. So ano bang i-multiply muna natin dito? So 10 times 8, so madali yan, 80 lang yan. So ito yung medyo magko-compute tayo, decimal 15 times 6.25. Okay, so manually lang natin 6.25 times 15. So we have 5 times 5, we have 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, we have 12. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1, so we have 31. O, madali na to, 6.25 times 1, so 625 lang yan. Then add natin, bring down 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9 and then count the decimal places. So we have 2. So dapat ang decimal ay nandito, 93.75. So itapat lang natin dito, 93.75. Then i-add natin ito. So 0, 0 lang kasi ito. So just bring down 75. 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 plus 9 is 17. Therefore, the correct answer is 173.75, which is letter C. Okay, so next number 12. Grace has 16 jelly beans in her pocket. She has 8 red ones, 4 green ones, and 4 blue ones. What is the minimum number of jelly beans she must take out of her pocket to ensure that she has one of each color? Okay, so meron siyang total na 16 jelly beans, 8 red ones, 4 green ones, and 4 blue. 4 blue ones. So ang hinahanap natin, minimum number of jelly beans she must take out of her pocket to ensure that she has one of each color. Para magkaroon siya ng one of each color, so yung mga gantong problem, para magkaroon siya ng tigi-tigisa, kailangan ang gagawin lang natin dito, i-add natin yung dalawang pinakamarami. Pinakamarami natin itong 8. Tapos itong dalawa magkaparehas ng dami. So, i-add lang natin itong 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 and then mag-add pa tayo ng 1. So, ganyan lang ang formula kapag ganitong type ng parang logic lang ito eh. So, minimum number of jelly beans para meron siyang 1 of each color. So, the answer to this is 13. Okay? So, explain natin ulit bakit naging 13. Kasi kapag 12 lang, kapag kumuha lang siya ng 12, posibleng makuha niya yung 8 red ones tapos yung 4 green. So, pag meron siyang 8 na red at 4 na green, wala pa siyang blue. Or pwede namang 8 na red at 4 na blue, wala pa siyang green. So, para magkaroon siya ng one of each color, ang minimum na makuha niya ay 13 dapat. Kapag 13, siguradong meron na dyan na tigi-tigisa dahil nakuha na niya lahat ng red or lahat ng green or lahat ng blue. Tapos yung susunod niya ay sigurado ng meron siyang one of each color. So the correct answer is letter D, 13. Okay, so next number 13. Okay, so if R equals 5Z and 15Z, then 15Z equals 3Y, then what is the value of R? Okay, so isa-isahin lang natin ito. R equals 5Z and then we have 15Z equals 3Y. What is the value of R? May iba't ibang way tayo sa pag-solve nito eh. Kasi yung R ay equal sa 5Z. Tapos itong 15Z, pwede kasing itong 5Z, madali siyang gawing 15C. Since divisible yung 15 sa 5. So pwede na nating hindi isolve yung letter Z dito para wag na tayong magkaroon ng fraction. Yung another way din kasi is isolve natin yung Z dito. So pag sinolve natin yung Z dito, so divide both by 5. So magiging value ng Z ay equal sa R over 5. Tapos itong Z, isa-substitute natin dito. Okay? So ang value ng Z ay R over 5. So we have 15. So ang value ng Z, papalitan natin ng R over 5. So we have R over 5 equals 3Y. Okay? So tapos, masosolve na natin yung R dito. Maka-cancel na ito. 15 divided by 5. So may matitira pa dito. 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So therefore, we have 3R equals 3Y. And then solve for R, divide both sides by 3. Ayan na yung answer natin. R is equal to Y. So therefore, the correct answer is letter A. R is equal to Y. Another solution dito, itong 15C, pwede natin itong gawing, so we have 15Z is equal to 3Y. Mas madali ito. Itong 15C, pwede natin gawin niyang 3 times 5Z. Okay, equals 3Y. Bakit nagkaroon tayo ng 5Z? Kasi ang sabi dito, R is equal to 5Z. So tapos itong 5Z, palitan na natin ng value ng R kasi R is equal to 5Z. So we have 3R equals 3Y. So same answer pa rin. So parehas may 3. So cancel out lang natin yung 3. Pag dinivide both sides by 3, R equals Y. Okay, so same answer. So next number 14. If 300 jelly beans cost you X dollars, how many jelly beans can you purchase from 50 cents at the same rate? Okay, so ito ay direct variation ito. Kasi pag cost, ayan, cost tsaka yung dami ng jelly beans, ay ano yan, habang tumataas yung jelly bean, syempre tataas yung cost niya. So direct variation lang ito. So lagay natin jelly beans, tapos dito yung cost. Ayan, C for cost. Ang 300 jelly beans daw, 300 jelly beans cost X dollars. So ang question, how many jelly beans How many jelly beans? Ito yung hinahanap natin. Lagyan natin ng N. Can you purchase for 50 cents? 50 cents ito. Itong X dito, dollars. Ilan bang dollars? So kung ito ay, ang X ay dollars, tas itong 50 ay cents, kailangan parehas dollars dapat ito. Parehas dollars, so alam naman natin na ang 50 cents ay equal sa 50 over 100, so that is equal to 0.5, okay, or 1 half. So ito ay 1 half dollar. 1 half dollar or 0.5. So depende na sa inyo kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. 1 half or 0.5, parehas lang yan. So tapos ngayon, iset up na natin yung magiging proportion natin, and then kailangan natin isolve itong n. Okay, so pwedeng fraction 300 over x equals, so jelly bean lagi ang una, 300 over x tapos over 1 half or n over 0.5. Okay, so pwede rin yung ganito na 300 is to x equals n is to 1 half. 1 half or 0.5. So kahit alin dyan sa dalawa ay parehas lang ang kakalabasan yan. So i-multiply lang natin na sinosolve natin yung n. So product of the means equals product of the extremes. Okay? So x times n, we have xn equals 300 times 1 half. Okay, so 1 half na lang ang ginamit ko dito para yan. 300 times 1 half, mahati lang tong 300, that will be equal to 150. Tapos we have xn, and then sinosolve natin itong n, divide natin both sides by x. So yan na yung answer natin. The value of n is 150 over x, which is letter A, 150 over x. Okay, so same answer din yan dito pag kinross multiply natin ito. Okay. So next number, number 15. Lee worked 22 hours this week and made $132. If she works 15 hours next week at the same pay rate, how much will she make? Okay, so another type ng direct variation to. Kasi ang variable natin dito? Time, 22 hours, time tsaka yung bayad sa kanya, 132. So syempre, habang tumataas itong hours, tataas din itong bayad sa kanya. Yung kikitain niya, 132. So therefore, direct variation lang ito. So if she works 15 hours next week, at the same pay rate, how much will she make? So lagay lang natin dito yung hours. Hours tsaka yung kikitain niya. So yung dollars na lang ang ilagay natin dito. So kapag 22 hours daw, ang kikitain niya ay $132. Kapag 15 hours naman, so ito yung kailangan nating isolve. Lagyan natin ng unknown na variable, let's say n. Okay, so ngayon iset up na natin ang proportion natin. Direct proportion lang ito. So 22 over 132. So fraction naman ang gamitin natin ngayon. 22 over 132 is equal to, so hours lagi ang una, 15 over n, and then solve for n. So cross multiply natin. Ayan, cross multiply. So 22n. 22n is equal to 15 times 132. Okay, so mga choices natin eksakto. So ibig sabihin, madi-divide ito lahat. So divide natin both sides by 22. Okay, so yan na yung value ng n. I-lowest term muna natin para maiwasang mag-divide ng malalaking number. So itong 22 tsaka 132, parehas yan divisible by 11. Okay, so 132 divided by 11, di ba ang 110 divisible by 11? So kung 132, so 132 divided by 11, this will be equal to 12. Okay? So tapos 22 divided by 11, that is equal to 2. Okay, so tapos, malo-lowest term pa ulit itong 12 tsaka 2. Okay, 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. And then 2 divided by 2, syempre 1 na lang yan, pwede na hindi isulat yung 1. And then last is we have 15 times 6. So multiply lang natin, 15 times 6. Therefore, n is equal to 6 times 5, that is equal to 30. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3, we have 9. So therefore, the correct answer is 90, letter B. Okay? So next number, number 16. If 8x plus 5x plus 2x plus 4x equals 114, then 5x plus 3 equals? So isolve lang muna natin ang x dito. So pwedeng pagsama-samahin ito dahil lahat naman ito ay x. I-add lang natin ito. 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4. So unahin natin itong 8 plus 2, that will be 10, and then 5 plus 4, 9. So we have 19x equals 114. So divide natin both sides by 19. So eksakto ba yan? 114 divided by 19. So eksakto siguro ito. 114 divided by 19 sa 10 ay meron tayong 190. So more or less mga 6 ba ito? So lagay nga natin 19 times 6. Okay, sakto yan. 9 times 6, we have 54. Eksakto nga, 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5, 114. Okay, so pag dinivide natin, x is equal to 6. So ngayon, itong x equals 6 ay isubstitute lang natin dito sa 5x plus 3. So 5x plus 3 equals 5 times 6 plus 3. That is equal to 5 times 6 is 30 plus 3. The answer will be 33. So the correct answer is letter C, 33. Okay, so next number, number 17. You need to purchase a textbook for nursing school. The book cost $80 and the sales tax where you are purchasing the book is 8.25%. You have $100. How much change will you receive back? Okay, so kunin lang natin yung total cost. Sabi ang cost daw ay $80. Kaso meron pa siyang sales tax. Okay, so therefore, ang total cost natin, total cost ay equal sa cost plus tax. Okay? So add lang tayo ng tax. 8.25% i-convert natin ito sa decimal. 8.25% move lang natin ng dalawa. Tapos tanggalin yung percent. So therefore that is 0.0825. Okay? 0.825 na itong 80. So therefore ang magiging total cost natin ay equal sa $80 plus $80 multiplied by 0.0825. Okay, so yan yung total cost. Tapos meron daw tayong 100. Yung total cost ay isasubtract natin sa 100 para makuha natin yung change. How much change will you receive back? Okay, so multiply lang natin ito. So we have 80 plus 0.0825 multiplied by 80. So kopyahin lang itong 0. 8 times 5, we have 40. 8 times 2, that is 16 plus 4. So we have 20. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 2. So we have 66. Bilangin ang decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. So lagay tayo ng decimal dito. I-move natin 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the answer is 6.6 or 6.60. Dahil pera yan. So 2 decimal dapat. So 6.60. So i-add natin 80 plus 6.60. That will be 86.60. And ito yung total cost. So i-subtract lang natin sa 100. So we have 100 minus 86.60. That will be equal to, so ito ay siyempre bring down lang pala ito 0. So magiging 10, ito ay magiging 9, and ito ay magiging 9. So 10 minus 6, we have 4. Copy ng decimal, 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. Ang sukli niya ay 13.40, which is letter C. $13.40. Okay, so next number, number 18. You purchase a car making a down payment of $3,000 and 6 monthly payments of $225. How much have you paid so far for the car? So yung total na binayad lang dito ay 3,000. Kunin lang natin yung down payment and then 6 monthly payments of $225. So therefore, ang magiging expression natin dito ay $3,000 plus 6 monthly payments. E di multiply lang natin yung 6 sa monthly payment niya na 225. Okay, so yan na yung magiging answer natin. 3,000 plus, so multiply lang natin ito. So 225 times 6, we have 5 times 6, that is 30. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3, we have 15. 6 times 2 is another 12 plus 1. So we have 13. So plus 1, 350. So i-add lang natin yan. So therefore, the answer is 4,350, which is letter B. $4,350. Okay, so next number, number 19. Your supervisor instructs you to purchase 240 pens and 6 staplers for the nurse station. Pens are purchased in sets of 6 for 2.35 per pack. Staplers are sold in sets of 2 for 12.95. How much will purchasing this product cost? Okay, so yung pens daw, yung cost ng pens ay 204, yung dami pala, 240 pens and 6 staplers. Kaso, yung pag-purchase sa kanya, sets of 6 for $2.35 per pack and staplers naman ay 2 for 12.95. So, ang gagawin natin, imu-multiply lang natin yan sa cost, pero yung dami ng pens tsaka ng stapler ay i-divide natin. Kailangan nating i-divide dun sa set. Okay? So set of 6 and then set of 2. So 240, i-divide lang natin. 240 divided by 6. Tapos i-multiply natin sa cost. 2.35 per pack. So multiply natin sa 2.35. So ganun din yung sa stapler. So i-add lang natin dahil hinahanap how much will purchasing this products cost. Magkasama na dapat. 6 staplers ang bibilhin tapos set of 2. So 6 divided by 2 multiply sa kanyang cost na 12.95. Okay, so manual lang natin yan. So 240 divided by 6. So 24 over divided by 6. Ano lang yan? 4. Kopyahin lang yung 0. So we have 40 times 2.35 plus 6 divided by 2. That is 3 times 12.95. Okay, so compute lang natin manually yan. So compute lang manually. So we have 2.35 multiplied by 40. So kopyahin lang itong 0. 4 times 5, that is equal to 20. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2, we have 14. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. So we have 9. 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So balik tayo, 1, 2. So therefore, 40 times 2.35 is 94. I-add lang natin ito, 3 times 12.95. So 12.95 times 3. So we have 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 1. We have 28. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2. We have 8. 3 times 1 is 3. Count the number of decimal places. 1, 2. So bilang tayo dito. 1, 2. So we have 38. 38.85. So i-add lang natin ito. I-total lang natin. So we have 94 plus 38.85. So pag tumingin pala kayo sa choices, ang 0.85 lang itong letter A. No? So ito na yung magiging sagot natin. Okay, so bring down lang natin itong 85. 4 plus 8, we have 12. 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 3. Okay, so 132.85, letter A. Okay, so next number or last number for this video, number 20. If y equals 3, then y cubed times y cubed minus y equals. So simple lang ito, i-substitute lang natin. Ang value daw ng y ay 3. So ipalit lang natin dito sa y cube. So therefore, we have 3. Okay, 3 cube. Pinalitan lang natin yung y. Okay, so we have 3 cube multiplied by y cube. So y cube. So another 3 cube yan. Minus the value of y is 3 ulit. Okay, so simplify lang natin yan. So simplify 3 cube. That is 3 times 3 times 3. That will be 27. And then 3 cube ulit. So another 27. Minus 3. Therefore, we have 27. Unahin ang nasa parentheses. 27 minus 3, that will be equal to 24. Okay? And then, multiply na lang natin yan. So, manually lang. 27 times 24, we have 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2, we have 10. 2 times 7 is 14, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, we have 5. Add lang natin. So, bring down 8. 4, 1 plus 5 is 6. So therefore, the answer is 648, letter C. Okay, so that's all. So I hope nagustuhan niya explanation ko para sa 10 items na ito. So thank you for watching and kita-kita pa tayo sa marami pang mga numerical ability na reviewer para sa civil service exam. So good luck po sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.